First time I ever came here, I was really shy and it was really hard to like talk to anyone. No one really knew each other. It was really awkward to like talk or anything, but like throughout the years, practically everyone in there I'm friends with. Everyone's kind to each other and everyone's just grateful. We're all like just here to like relax and just learn how to cook.
I really enjoy the time we get to be cooking because it helps me see what other people like. I test drive my own food and then I go try my neighbor's food and it's more spicy, and then I go to the other table and it's sweeter. I really enjoy that because I get to see what they like.
After I finish, like it's so rewarding knowing that, oh, I made this great dish that I could bring to my family and show off.
Every time I bring them food to home that I make from here in class, and that makes them really happy. It makes me really happy too because I feel like I'm doing something for them.
I know a couple restaurants which would probably hire me. You know, if I like show them that, oh yeah, I've been like 1 year in culinary, I could like get a job.
I will recommend the program because even if you don't want to pursue a career in the future, it impacts your life in many ways. It makes you more aware of the people around you, it makes you more aware of the place you're in and the opportunity you have.
And you get to eat the food you make too. We made a cheesecake like the day before spring break. It was actually like my favorite dish ever. I really loved it.